Three reasons why you lose a client after one deal. I mean, just one deal. Number one, feedback. After selling a product to a client, do you just sit back and relax? No. After selling a product to a client, the first thing you want to do is feedback. Get feedback from the client. Hi, how are you doing today? I just want to get feedback from you. Hope you like the product. Does it meet up with your expectations? Are you satisfied with this product? So get your feedbacks and work on those areas. If it's a poor feedback, you take it in. Don't try to be defensive. The next thing you want to do is take it in, then work on those areas. Try to improve. If there's a need for explanation, you explain. 2, integrity. Do you stick to your word? Do you keep to your word? Do you deliver exactly what you promised? Do you deliver what you market to your client? Do you deliver on the right dates you promised to deliver? So when you can deliver on the right day, you communicate ahead. Hello, please, I won't be able to deliver on so day, but I can make it on so dates. And you state your reasons why. 3, checkup. Do you reach out to your client after the deal has been closed? I mean, not marketing another product to your client. Just saying, hello, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a great day. I just want to hear from you. Please do have a great week. Don't just share this video. Save this video, watch it again, put these things into practice, and watch your business grow. If you're not following me, you may not see me again.